Mshtakiwa wa kwanza Peter Ushuru Khalumi, tarehe 31st December 2023 katika kijiji cha Kumumu, sub-county ya Mbere, Ekuirwo County, Kenya. Mshtakiwa kwa kumuua Eldoret Kiplagat Chemweno, alias Benjamin Kiplagat.
So the prosecution has filed an affidavit opposing bond. I grant them leave to supply exhibits referred to in the affidavit, if necessary, then to do so within 7 days, and serve, of course. The probation department to prepare and present pre-bail reports for relating to the accused persons within 14 days. Mention on the issue of bond on 15th of February 2024. Since this court's diary for criminal case hearings is now in June, I will refer this matter to Court 1 for my brother Jaji Nyakundi, who has nearer dates, to hear it on 7th of March 2024. That's the starting point of everything. Without a report, no investigation can take place. So even today, you should have been coming and saying, I made this report and this is the OB number, but no action has been taken. And the court kindly now compelled these people to do their job. But without a report, without a OB, I think you've jumped the gun.